How's it going? So I'm just following up on the previous video. Basically, you can just create package.json and all of your .js files are going to be treated as modules. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Look, so we are doing export. So one caveat is that your Node version must be above 16 plus. So if you just type Node-v version, so I'm on 18. So if you're below 16, it's probably not going to work. I didn't check, but based on the docs documentation, it should not work, but try it anyway. Okay, if it doesn't work, then upgrade your Node version, right? Okay, so look, this is our exporting file. So we have a string, we're importing, we're console logging, and index. So in HTML, we're doing this, right? So this works in browser. This works in browser, but does not work in Node.js. So if we do this, it will tell you cannot use import outside the module. So all you do is create package.json, okay, and then put this thing, and then put type module, and then, believe it or not, that fixes everything. Look, you see, boom, it works now. So this means that Node.js is going to treat all .js files as modules. So now you have no complaints, okay? Honestly, it's magical. Take care, bye-bye.